Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to use dual camera mode on Snapchat. Now recently I saw that this dual camera mode is only available on iPhone, unfortunately, but yeah, you just need to start and keep updating your Snapchat app until you can obviously access this on your Android, right? Now we're currently on my Android, but I'm going to show you either way. So click on camera here, and on the right side where you can see this switch camera mode, this music icon, right, you can hit plus sign, or what you can do is you can click on multi-camera mode, which is, or dual camera mode, right, which is at the right icon. It will be right icon with double cameras in the icon, so icon will look like double cameras. And that's pretty much how you can do it. Then once you click on it, this is how it will look like. Again, I will put screenshot on this video just so you can see. This is how it will look like, and that's pretty much a dual camera mode where you can see your front camera and your back camera as well, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, if you have any questions, comment down below and I'll make sure to answer all of your questions. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.